Hello guys, as you can see, I've got a problem in Windows 10. When I click on the start menu, it shows that critical error, your start menu isn't working. We'll try to fix it in the next time you sign in. I clicked on this, I came back and I just pressed on this and it is again coming like this. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix this. So let us see. So there are various ways in which this problem could occur. So we'll see the first method. The first method is because of the update issue. So this will be working. Type and search here. So we'll be searching for update and we can see check for updates option here. And as we go here, we can see this view update history. Actually, mine is not the case of updates, but if yours is a case for updates, what you have to do is you have to click on uninstall updates. So here you can see all the updates that were done. It's like loading or something. You can uninstall the recent update that you have done so that it will be reversed back. So you can select any one of these recent one date modified and you can uninstall it. I'm having an issue with this, so I'm leaving it. So mine is not the case. Generally, it won't be a case with the update because they'll try to fix it as soon as with the next update. So that's not our issue. So we'll see the second way in which we could solve this problem. We have to open task manager. For that you just have to click control plus shift plus escape on your keyboard, three buttons at once. It opens your task manager, right? And so this is a task manager. So after opening the task manager, you just have to click on file, run new task, and then click powershell, powershell, and then click enter. So it's going to open powershell. So here I'll be saying a code that you just have to type. So let it load. So this is the code that I have typed. So no need of you to type it. I've pasted it in the description. Do check it, copy it, and paste it here and hit enter.